Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Craving a delicious samosa but want to skip the deep-fried guilt? The air fryer is truly your new best friend for this. It's an amazing way to get that perfectly golden, crispy texture, all without using a lot of extra oil. Preparing samosas this way is not only a much healthier option, but it's also incredibly simple. You'll be enjoying a batch of truly irresistible snacks in no time at all, so let's get started. Before you pop them in, make sure your air fryer is preheated to about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This step helps them cook evenly and get nice and crispy right from the start. Take your frozen samosas and give them a very light spray or brush with just a little cooking oil. Then, carefully place them in your air fryer basket in a single layer. Making sure they aren't touching too much allows the hot air to circulate, creating that perfect golden crunch. Now for the actual cooking. Keep that temperature at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. You'll want to cook them for an initial 8 to 10 minutes. After that first interval, gently pull out the basket and give your samosas a good shake or carefully flip them over. This ensures even browning on all sides and helps them get wonderfully crispy. Put them back in and continue cooking. After that initial 8 to 10 minutes, continue cooking for another 5 to 7 minutes. Keep a close eye on them, watching for that beautiful golden brown color. You want them perfectly crispy on the outside and thoroughly heated through. If they still look a little pale or not quite crunchy enough for your liking, simply add another 2 to 3 minutes to the cooking time. Just keep checking until they are absolutely perfect, ready to enjoy. Once your samosas are perfectly golden and crispy, carefully remove them from the air fryer basket. It's a good idea to let them rest for just a minute or two before digging in. This helps them set and prevents any steam burns. Now, serve your delicious, healthier samosas hot with your favorite mint chutney, tamarind sauce, or whatever dipping sauce you prefer. You'll absolutely love this quick and easy snack, so enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.